What if I told you that everything you have been taught about weight loss is not just wrong, but actually making you gain more weight? No calorie counting, no meal prep, no exhausting cardio sessions that leave you dreading the gym. Today, I am going to reveal a scientifically backed method that works with your body's natural systems, not against them. This approach has helped thousands of people lose weight effortlessly, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to activate your body's built-in fat-burning switch. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that the more you restrict calories, the hungrier you become? The more you exercise, the more exhausted you feel. That is not willpower failure. That is biology fighting back. Here is the truth the weight loss industry does not want you to know. Your body has a sophisticated system designed to maintain energy balance. When you drastically cut calories, your metabolism slows down by up to 30%. When you do excessive cardio, your body increases cortisol production, which triggers fat storage around your midsection. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 95% of people who lose weight through traditional dieting gain it all back within 2 years. Why? Because they are fighting their biology instead of working with it. The 3 biggest myths keeping you trapped in the yo-yo diet cycle are: first, that you must create a massive calorie deficit to lose weight. Second, that you need to spend hours preparing special meals. And third, that cardio is essential for fat loss. Each of these approaches triggers what scientists call metabolic adaptation. Your body literally fights against weight loss by slowing down your metabolism, increasing hunger hormones, and reducing energy expenditure. It is like trying to swim upstream against a powerful current. Now let me introduce you to the real science of effortless weight loss. It all comes down to 3 key hormonal systems that control your weight without any conscious effort on your part. First is insulin sensitivity. When your cells become more sensitive to insulin, your body naturally burns fat for fuel instead of storing it. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that improving insulin sensitivity can increase fat burning by up to 40%, even without changing your diet. Second is leptin optimization. Leptin is your satiety hormone. It tells your brain when you have had enough food. According to Dr. Sarah Chen, an endocrinologist at Stanford University, people with optimized leptin function naturally eat 20 to 30% fewer calories without feeling hungry or deprived. Third is circadian rhythm alignment. Your metabolism follows a 24-hour cycle. When this rhythm is disrupted, your body stores more fat and burns less energy. Studies published in the journal Cell Metabolism show that people with aligned circadian rhythms lose weight 40% faster than those with disrupted sleep patterns. The beautiful thing about this approach is that once these systems are optimized, weight loss happens automatically. You do not need willpower because your body naturally wants to be at its healthy weight. So how do you activate these systems? The method I am about to share is based on what researchers call metabolic flexibility. This is your body's ability to switch between burning carbs and burning fat for energy. Step 1 is strategic meal timing, not meal restriction. Instead of counting calories, you simply adjust when you eat. Research shows that eating your largest meal earlier in the day, when insulin sensitivity is naturally highest, can increase fat burning by up to 50%. You are not eating less food, just eating it at optimal times. Step 2 is movement integration, not structured exercise. Instead of forcing yourself through grueling cardio sessions, you integrate natural movement throughout your day. This could be taking phone calls while walking, doing household chores with more energy, or simply standing more often. Studies show this approach burns more calories than traditional exercise because it does not trigger the metabolic slowdown that comes with intense training. Step 3 is sleep optimization. Quality sleep regulates all your weight-controlling hormones. When you sleep deeply for 7 to 8 hours, your body produces optimal levels of growth hormone, which burns fat while you sleep. Poor sleep disrupts this process and can cause weight gain even if you eat perfectly. Step 4 is stress reduction through micro-practices. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which directly causes belly fat storage. But you do not need hour-long meditation sessions. Just 2 to 3 minutes of deep breathing or gentle stretching can lower cortisol levels by 30%. Let me share what this looks like in real life. Jennifer, a busy mother of 3, lost 42 pounds in 6 months without changing what she ate. She simply started eating her biggest meal at lunch instead of dinner, took walking meetings at work, and practiced 5 minutes of deep breathing before bed. Mark, a 60-year-old executive, dropped 35 pounds by making 3 simple changes. He stopped forcing himself to do cardio he hated, started doing yard work and household projects with intention, and adjusted his meal timing to align with his natural energy patterns. These are not special people with superhuman willpower. They simply worked with their biology instead of against it. The weight came off naturally because their bodies wanted to be healthy. Here is what I want you to do right now. Pick just one of these strategies and implement it this week. If you are someone who eats their biggest meal at dinner, try switching it to lunch for 7 days. If you have been forcing yourself through cardio you hate, replace it with activities you actually enjoy that get you moving. If you want the complete system with step-by-step implementation guides, detailed meal timing schedules, and the exact micro-practices that optimize your hormones, I have created a comprehensive guide that takes you through everything. The most important thing to understand is this. Sustainable weight loss is not about forcing your body to comply through restriction and punishment. It is about creating the conditions where your body naturally wants to be healthy. Your metabolism is not broken. Your willpower is not weak. You just need to work with your biology, not against it. When you do this, weight loss becomes as natural as breathing. Start with one small change today and watch how your body responds when you finally give it what it actually needs. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we dive deeper into optimizing each of these hormonal systems.